In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets, whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher. I'll walk you through the basics of crafting essential math formulas. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be more comfortable with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers directly within Google Sheets. Let's begin by understanding how to start a formula. In Google Sheets, every formula begins with the equals sign, which signals to the program that a calculation is about to take place. Google Sheets offers a wide variety of functions, but today we'll focus on the fundamental math functions. For our first example, let's look at addition. Imagine we have two numbers, 1 and 2. We want to add these numbers together. You could manually type out your formula like this, equals 1 plus 2. When you press Enter, Google Sheets will calculate the sum and display the answer, which in this case is 3. Now, here's a cool feature of Google Sheets. It allows you to use cell references instead of static numbers. This makes your formulas dynamic. Suppose our numbers 1 and 2 are stored in cells C23 and D23, respectively. Instead of typing the numbers directly into your formula, you can use their cell coordinates. Simply click on cell C23, type the plus sign, and then click on cell D23. When you hit Enter, you're not only seeing the result, but also allowing that result to update automatically if you ever change the values in either C23 or D23. Next, let's apply this method for other basic math functions. For subtraction, replace the plus symbol with a minus sign. Suppose you want to subtract the value in cell D23 from C23. Your formula will look like this, equals C23 minus D23. Press Enter, and you'll see the result of the subtraction right there on your sheet. When it comes to multiplication, things are just as straightforward. This time, you'll use the asterisk sign as your operator. So if you wish to multiply the values of C23 and D23, your formula will be equals C23 asterisk D23. Again, after pressing Enter, the product will be displayed on your sheet. Finally, for division, use the /. To divide the number in C23 by the number in D23, your formula should read equals C23 divided by D23. Hit Enter, and your sheet will present you with the quotient. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to use basic math operations in Google Sheets. Remember, using cell references instead of static numbers allows your data to be dynamic and keeps your calculations up to date without the need for manual adjustments. Keep practicing, and these skills will become second nature. Thanks for watching.